Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, October 27th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we made money today, but it felt like a crappy day. Just did not go like I really would have liked it to have done. Yesterday we had this huge sell off with the Dow getting down, I think 920 points on the very low here, but rebounded and closed down 600 or something on the close. And we were basically short uh, on this fall, short in biotech, short in crude oil, and most of all, short in the overall market. Uh, Three positions in UVXY, um, another one in SQQQ. Yeah, we were short on it, so we closed yesterday with positive $17,000, um, but we were up, I think, 23,000 when stocks were down here. So I was hoping, get some follow through and maybe get back to that $23,000 level. It didn't. Dow, instead of opening lower, it just opened pretty much neutral and tried to rally just a little there, and that managed to cut our $17,000 profits to 15,000 when we got out. Well, okay. That isn't the way I liked it, but that's the way it was. But this tiny little rally here at the beginning of the day got us into a handful of positions. Then the stocks go south. Not very much, but still closed down 222 points. And that was enough to soften that handful of positions. So we end up closing out $15,000 from yesterday. We get into 6 new positions, 3 positive, 3 negative, but we're carrying negative $4,000 into tomorrow. So it's kind of like it whittled down our profits to the point where not too much to talk about. I wasn't real happy with the way things went today. Um, I'll show you 3 of the stocks to show my frustration. Excuse me. Um, this first is UVXY, and we carry 3 positions of this. We carry 3 positions, a total of 9,000 shares. It's a hedge against a crash, and we had kind of a mini crash yesterday, so we bought this thing right near the open, and it took off very nicely. And actually, our exit wasn't too bad today on this. And on those 3 positions in UVXY, we took out over $13,000 in profit. That plus another short position in crude oil, we took $2,200 out of SCO, and between those 2 positions is where we got our $15,000 in profits closed out today. So that was good, but then we start getting into stuff again and didn't do too well with this. This is the first one. This is BE, which is Bloom Energy Corporation. You can see here what happened. We bought the high tick of the day, and then it just went against us all day long. So on the close, we're down negative $4,000, and that pretty much is where our open trade equity loss is in Bloom Energy Corporation. We had one entry here that started out really good. This is EXAS, which is Exact Sciences Corporation. Big gap up this morning. We bought the gaps and hung with it, and it was up, getting close to $5,000 right up here. And then, while the Dow's trailing off, this trails off too, and we end up seeing our $4,000 or $5,000 go to 2,300 in open trade. So, this kind of stuff doesn't feel real good either. So, just have to see how things go this morning. I'm kind of discouraged, though. I was really hopeful that yesterday we were going to see a big comeback here at the end of the month, and as it turns out, maybe we cleared $10,000 or so. Anyway, that's the way it went. That's trading. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.